Are you hula dancing?
No.
Oh, you got some cool moves there. Is it hard to hula dance in high heels? Oh, beautiful. Show us your shoes. Turn to the side. Oh, those are some cool shoes. Whoa. Woo! Ava, do the hiney shake in your grass skirt. Do the hiney shake. Woo! Can you do it one more time? Hiney shake, hiney shake. Woo! I was looking at my little hula dancer. Tell Auntie Sarah, thank you for my hula outfit.
Thank you for my hula outfit.
Turn around and wave to the camera. Can you blow a kiss? I love you.